y'all doing? I wanted to show y'all. I got a toothache, y'all. This side of my face is so swollen. I don't know if you could tell from here. This is not, but this here, all this is swollen, y'all. All this is swollen. I've been drinking cloves, not drinking it, but gargling with it. I don't want to pour it out, but I warmed it up. I put cloves in here and I let it seep. And it says something about the essential oil that's in it will help, and it does help. It eases the pain a whole lot, y'all. So I just gargle, let it sit in my mouth, and I tried to get to the dentist this morning, but they don't take patients on Fridays, and they gave me an appointment for Thursday, so I'll go Thursday. He said it sounded like I need a root canal, which I already know I needed a root canal, y'all. It's so swollen, but I haven't been really sleeping. After I do this and it ease the pain a little bit, I try to get a little sleep in. And then when the pain start coming back, I repeat. Be up for a couple hours, repeat. Like I said, I gotta go to work tonight, so I just let it sit there for a few minutes. Y'all, I'd rather have a couple babies than have a toothache. And I mean a couple babies. Because, baby, at one point, I haven't been eating. I've been drinking protein shakes, and I did eat some tater tots today. I just took my time to eat because, like, if I bite down over here, the tooth that was hurting, that hurts. When I bite down, oh my God. I be wanting to fight, y'all. But yeah, so I'll go to the dentist Thursday. Y'all know I'm definitely afraid of the dentist. But I have to go. Let them do what they need to do. Just pray for me, y'all. I'm going to take something very strong to, I don't know. I have to ask them, can I take something before I come? I don't really have pain pills, but I got like a pill that I take for my back, gabapentin. If it ain't one thing, it's another. My feet feel fine. Okay, right now. It's always something with me. I'm like, when can I have a good day? So yeah, y'all. And let me show y'all the couch while I got my rain sound, so I'm gonna try to go back to sleep. I get up at 9:50 to get ready for work. So I'm going to try to get a couple hours in if I can. If not, I just go to work tired. I went to work tired last night. I might go to work tired again tonight. But let me show y'all the couch. I've been meaning to jump on here and show y'all, but y'all, I've been in so much pain. But let me get on here. Let me go in here and show y'all the couch. So this is the outcome, y'all. It is clean. Remember, it was a little spot right there. You could barely see it. Let me see if I can turn this way. You could barely see it. It's right here. It's just a little bit. But overall, it came clean. I took the black pillows off. But it looks good, y'all. It looks good. Remember, it was a pillow on that end right there. I took that pillow off, y'all, because to me, that pillow didn't go. And I also have another one in the storage room that supposedly go right here. But those pillows don't go, y'all. Yeah, to me, those pillows don't go on the couch. I got this couch from, is it Habitat for Humanity? No. Habitat for Humanity. That might be it. It's Habitat something. I think that's it. But that's where I got this couch from. And I only paid $300 for it, y'all. But it's good. It's good enough for me. I just be here by myself, so. Oh, let me turn this lamp back off. But I just wanted to show y'all that. I'm gonna try to go to sleep for a couple hours. It's already 6:30, so I'm gonna try to sleep Yeah, I'm gonna try to sleep till about 9:30 or so. So you can see the swelling. Y'all, I can't win for losing. I'm trying to tell you. But yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and show y'all what I've been dealing with. I'm about to go to bed for a little while, and today is Saturday. No, today is Friday. I don't know why I thought today was all day today. I thought it was Saturday. All day today, I thought it was Saturday, y'all. All day. And I turned my air off because the air, but I got the fan on. It don't really bother me too much. But I turned the air off because the air, it was too cold in here, and the air was getting all in my mouth. And so I just turned the air off, and yeah, I didn't even dye my hair. I got the dye. I did a DoorDash from Target. I had ordered some Tylenol, garbage bags because I was out of trash bags. Well, I got a few more left. And what else? Oh, some chicken noodle soup. That's what I've been eating on too. I just had one can, but I bought 4. I had one can. I really haven't been able to eat anything. It ain't gonna kill me, but yeah, y'all, that's what I'm dealing with. I'll try to. Well, hopefully tomorrow I feel much better. That's my rain sounds, y'all. I gotta sleep with these rain sounds on because that's what soothes me and helps me sleep better at night or in the daytime or whatever. So I always turn that on. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to go to sleep for a couple of hours before I have to go in. And I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good night. Say hi. Say hey.
Mom, I'm gonna watch TV.
Yeah, you can do that. You can watch TV. Hey, y'all. What's up, y'all? So, y'all, I'm about to make some tacos for the kids. Say hi.
You making tacos for us? Mm-hmm. Can I help you cook?
No, I just did.
Yes.
Say hello.
Hi, guys.
Say hello. Say hello, Corey.
My name is Kai.
Your name is not Kai.
My name is Kai in the back row watching TV.
Let me put the meat on. Don't drop her. Okay, thank you. Bye, Corey. Bye, Corey. Okay, y'all. So I'm about. What? I said no about what?
Baby in there.
No, the baby don't need that.
Can you talk?
I'll give my iPad so you can play on it.
Here,
And no, don't jump up now. Y'all, she don't want to share the iPad. What's up, y'all?
I get the iPad. My where is it?
I get it. Just hold them. Just hold
We
them.
both can be our feet
Y'all.
at one time. Want this?
These kids.
Okay, put it
This is my day off, by the way.
down.
But I'm about to make us some tacos real quick.
Wait.
Make us some tacos real quick.
Or G10.
And
Corey don't
Yeah.
need it.
I just came from Publix, y'all. We got a brand new Publix that they put
Okay, this is gonna get
right up the street from my house. It's so nice. It's one of the nicest. Well, of course it's new. But I bought them some little juices. But I don't have juice here, so I said, let me get them some juices so they don't be crying. Talking about they thirsty, but they mama had one out of here. So, got them some juices, because all I got is water here. I bought me some ibuprofen, because my tooth still hurt a little bit. Go over there and watch TV.
Hey y'all.
Turn the TV on. I said hi, y'all. And I bought
We just got
a head
that.
of lettuce. They didn't have shredded lettuce. I didn't, or maybe I overlooked it. Then I got some diced tomatoes. And I got a pack of, I got a pack of ground beef, y'all. They had a pack of ground beef there for $35. It was a family pack, but my God. And I spent $21. I already scanned my receipts on Fetch Rewards. If y'all don't use Fetch Rewards, y'all, you should don't put her on there. She don't need to be on there. Turn the TV on. Turn on Miss Rachel, because that's what she like to watch. I use my receipt for the Fetch Rewards. I'm already at like almost 10,000 points. Y'all use my code down in the description box below, my link. Use my link down in the description box so that y'all can start racking y'all points up. Turn the TV down. So y'all can rack y'all points up for the Fetch Rewards. And y'all can get this all kind of gift cards. Turn it down. So y'all can get different gift cards, Amazon, Target, and they have different gift cards that you can get. But anyway, I don't know, they're about to do something on this TV, so I'm just going to don't let her fall. So I'm going to go ahead and cook and then play some music. So and then I'm gonna do Carly's hair. She want me to do her hair. Y'all, her hair. I put it in a ponytail.
Okay.
She wants some baby hairs, y'all. Listen, her hair gives me anxiety. I remember when my daughter was in the hospital.
I had a clip so you can do me a swoop.
She want to swoop.
And then you gonna curl this, and then you gonna make sure
Yeah, I hear
my
that.
hair's tucked up.
I heard that. But anyway, y'all, I remember my daughter was sick. She was so sick when she was pregnant with Corey. Like, she was in and out the hospital. She couldn't keep nothing down. She was losing like so much weight, whatever. But I had kept the girls. I kept all of them, and I had to do Carly's hair. Y'all, my anxiety was through the roof because she got so much hair. But anyway, she got this TV on with some music playing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the ground beef on and start
And then you
cooking
can talk
everything. Hey, my tuka mama.
Do you still have that Alexa thing?
What?
Do you still have that Alexa thing that talks?
Yeah.
And play music?
Yeah.
You
No, I don't want you playing with it.
I remember we always used to say, Alexa, go to YouTube. Alexa, go to TikTok.
I don't know how to, I don't know if you can download a
Wait,
game.
can I see it?
Let Carly see if she can download a game. So I always keep an extra tablet around here.
Wait, this is Bye.